first thing is about the efficiency. So using electric stored in the battery is much more efficient compared to burning fossil fuel. So second, the instant torque is ready if the battery is actually charged. So there's no gearbox. So there's no
Gear 1,
lag
gear 2,
to
gear 3.
actually change to different gearing, because the only one gear, first gear. So that gear alone is actually the torque range is maximum.
On electric car, the moment you press on it, the torque instantly applies, and then you can feel that you just overtake anytime.
It looks like like a laptop charger.
Okay.
So the box is like 5 times bigger than the laptop charger.
So you need an actual power source when you bring.
You can
Exactly.
use
You need a power source.
Yeah.
You definitely need a power source.
Actually, now I just got another idea. Why don't we do power bank for electric vehicles?
There are power bank that can be
Don't
towed.
tell your idea to people. They're gonna like run to the market right now.
So I will always maintain within the speed limit, 110, 120 like that. But what I'm trying to say is, when you run at this speed, the car is very stable, because there's no, you don't feel the engine is vibrating, or even the road handling, you feel slightly better than any other car because of the central gravity point is much lower. They put the heavy battery at the bottom of the car, which is equally distributed to 4 wheels. So when you go to any cornering also, you don't feel the cornering is that sharp.
I understand.
That is what beauty of this car.
How do we get
Nearly
DC chargers
200
out there?
That's the problem. Is the current there's only 4 DC charger in Malaysia.
Not. Wait, hang on. When you say Klang Valley, this is a place where 3 million people are living.
Central.
Yeah.
Centrally, it's central
But,
heavy.
so what? 1 for 1 million? Because you say 1 in Icro, the other 3 is in there. So we got one DC charger for every 1 million Malaysia.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So it's like a Royal Rumble every time.
Royal Rumble. I'm fist fight, just don't cut it. You got to nuke the whole town. What about bank loans? Would bank loans, are banks like going to give out loans, or is it like a cash up front kind of thing?
For used vehicle, in Malaysia, I do have some constraint from banks. I don't want to name the banks. That there are major banks that they not keen to give when they see the car. You want to buy this car? It's used, 5 years old, and it's electric. Sorry, sir, your car is not popular.
This is a MARii podcast.